Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove sound from video in Clipchamp. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. Find the Clipchamp app, now open it. Choose one video that you want to edit and remove the sound from. Now to remove the sound, tap onto the edit button right here. Then scroll to your right and here we can find the option of volume. Now go ahead and select it. Now from here you can reduce the sound of the video like this and simply tap onto the check mark. And like this you can remove the sound from your video. You can also remove the sound from other videos that you want to remove, just like this. And that's it. This is how you can remove the sound from your video using Clipchamp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.